They say if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And pasta is pretty much perfect as is. But the way we transport and store pasta, well, that could use some work. Researchers from Carnegie Mellon University have developed a new way to cut pasta, which they say will allow it to be stored flat, before curling up into your favorite pasta shapes when cooked. Traditional pasta is shaped when it's made, and most often dried before packaging for longer shelf life. But this new method stamps grooves into each flat piece when it's made, which when boiled swells and shapes itself during the cooking process, allowing round-shaped pasta to be packed flat, reducing not only the amount of space it takes up while being transported, but also the amount of packaging it needs in general, reducing waste. Not only that, but the creators say that because of its increased surface area due to the ribbing, it may even cook faster, which means less emissions produced while using fuel to boil it. And since 14.3 million tons of pasta is produced, transported, and cooked every year, that could be a significant cut to emissions, waste, and time spent in the kitchen.